Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, especially my teacher instructor, Sir Sokarno. My name is Saipuri name Ork, Ebipiri Toby, and is my topics all about lesson 4.4 Tango. Number 1. Tango is a dance with a quick staccato feel, striking foot action, and dramatic snapping turns of the head. Number 2. The tango was introduced to the New York by Spanish settlers. Number 3. In 1910, tango began gaining popularity in New York. Number 4. Tango has grown in popularity in recent years as indicated by numerous films based on the dance. Number 5. Tango is included in several films, including Scent of a Woman, Take the Land, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, True Lies, and Lies Shore We Dance, and Frida. Number 6. Argentine tango is a far more intimate than modern tang and lends itself nicely to dancing in small groups. Number 7. Several other different styles of tango exist, each with its plain. Number 8. Most of the dance forms involve an open embrace in which the couple is closely joined at either the chest or the hip area. Number 9. Many people are familiar with ballroom tango, which is distinguished by powerful dramatic head snaps. Tango timing. Tango is dancing in a 2/4 time signature. There are several ways to count the beats on 1 through 8 beats. The slows and quicks or spell the word tango. Lesson 4.4 Discussion about tango. This lesson discusses the tango, a dance with a distinctive style and a rich story. Here are breakdown of the key points. Characteristics of tango. Fast pace and dramatic. Tango is characterized by a quick, staccato feel and dramatic head movements. Origin. The tango was introduced to the New World by Spanish settlers. Popularity. Tango gained popularity in New York in the early 20th century and has continued to grow in recent years. Tango in a film. Influence. Tango's popularity is evident in the numerous films based on the dance. Example. Tango is featured in several films, including Scent of Woman, Take the Lead, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, True Lies, Shall We Dance, and Frida. Argentine tango. Intimate. Argentine tango is a more intimate style than modern tango, lending itself well to dancing in small groups. Styles of tango. Variation. There are several different styles of tango, each with its own flair. Open embrace. Most tango styles involve an open embrace where the partners are closely joined at the chest or the hip. Ballroom tango. Distinctive ballroom tango is distinguished by its powerful and dramatic head snaps. Overall, this lesson provides a good overview of the tango highlighting in its characteristics, its popularity in film, in its development of style. Explanation on in tango. Tango timing a rhythm dance of passion and precision. Tango timing is a crucial aspect of the dance, dictating the flow and intensity of its movements. While there are variations, a fundamental factor revolves around a 4/4 time signature offering a unique rhythmic framework for its passionate expression. The core writing for 4 time. Tango music is predominantly in 4/4, meaning there are 4 beats per measure. The significance of syncopation. Syncopation is a key element in tango timing. This involves placing accent on beat, creating a rhythmic tension that adds to the dancer dynamic energy. And the importance of tango timing is requires precision and coordination between partners. The leaders must maintain a steady rhythm where the follower responds with precise timing and footwork. This creates a sense of unity and connection between the dancer, allowing them to move together as one. Beyond the basic nuances in timing, while the 4/4 signature provides a foundation, tango timing involves nuances that add depth and complexity to the dance. Tempo variation, tango music can range from slow and languid to fast and energetic, and rhythmic patterns depend on tango styles, employing varying rhythmic patterns and accents. And and the tango timing is just more than just a rhythmic framework. It's language of emotion. The subtle variation in tempo, syncopation, and rhythmic patterns contribute to the dancer dance expressive power, allowing dancers to convey a range emotion from longing and passion to joy and melancholy. And that's all. Thank you.